Time to work out. Copy Rio and get ready to go. Round 1.
3, 2, 1, go!
Time to use Thor's hammer. Time for lightning speed. Time to shield up. Time to use X-ray vision. Round 1 complete! Time to rest up and get ready to go. Round 2.
3, 2, 1, go!
Time to use the Trident of Poseidon. Time to be bendy. Time to use telekinesis. Time to explode. Round 2 complete. Time to rest up and get ready to go. Final round.
3, 2, 1, go!
Time to be in disguise. Time to use the bow and arrow. Time to heal up. Time to use firepower. Final round complete.